Video is literally like Leonardo DiCaprio is like someone like he's just able to go and then he just does. The most successful people in the world are the ones that actually put themselves out there. Like, am I a fucking billionaire playboy philanthropist? No. We could just literally make a video of us cooking. A couple clips of us like bumping songs. You hear that? Remember your fucking lines. Commence. Remember your fucking line. Big five. Alright, cooking video. No. We could just do it. We don't even have to start the video. How about we just go in and turn the car on? Ring me. We're gonna make some food. Are you coming? Shall we? I don't really. You remember your fucking lines.
Didn't someone say they wanted chives?
I want chives.
Yeah.
Catnip.
Come here.
Stand down. I'm not gonna lie though, I almost shit my pants. Yeah, I was pushed and Shlee! We're going! Casey Neistat, scene. Yes. Can't set this shit up.
Good boy.
It's on.
I heard you got too little last night. Oh, in this world.
So it goes first? Like this? So I click it? Yeah, and I flip it, or does it flip automatically?
Answer the phone. Harry, you know good alone. Fuck a pigeonhole, I'm a night owl, it's a different mode. Fresh like the first day of school on the weekend. I put this shit on a day for no reason.
Alright, the boys have arrived. A lot of sweats. Entrance. We're at entrance. No.
Those look so good. Shallot, minced cloves, cloved garlic, tomato paste, crushed red pepper flakes, vodka, salt.
Vodka. So rigatoni.
Kind of, yeah.
Nigatoni?
Is that enough though? All you need.
Jesus H.
Tomato paste.
Yeah.
Pasta sauce. That, right?
It
What-
looks like
this.
this.
Oh, how about over here? Pizza sauce. Nope. Confirmed. Not over here. This is confirmed. This is confirmed. What we need. Meat.
Probably one or two.
It was confirmed. Confirmed tomato paste.
We have shallots.
Nope.
We have garlic.
I think we got a clove of garlic. Parmigiano. Is this Parmesan?
Yeah.
Tennessee whiskey cheese. Red pepper flakes. Confirmed. Confirmed. No. No, not here.
Mincing our own garlic.
Yeah, we can get. Yeah, we don't have to mince.
Oh.
Just buy minced garlic. Yeah, that's pretty big. It's really big. I don't even know if I could eat that. That's really big.
No, it's like...
That's a little too big.
big.
That's a little too big. Yeah. Vodka.
Pepper flakes and heavy cream.
Heavy cream. The heaviest. It's really the cream is like. Oh wait, that's red pepper paste.
There. Good job.
That brings me to today's sponsor, Rain Storm Energy. Clean energy by Rain, and it's clean.
Use code Austin444 for 10% off.
Yeah.
Don't tell me model. Oh. Maxwellington. Straight. She said she loved that I was good at everything. All right, made it to the homestead. Here's what we got: rigatoni, heavy whipping cream, onion, some Parmesan, garlic, butter, tomato paste, pepper, basil. And some vodka. And vodka. We are putting the vodka in the pasta. Here's today's sponsor.
Yeah. Yep. Peach.
Next.
Give it a 6.9 out of 10.
Battery change. Pink lemonade for the guys. Don't you gotta like?
Normal lemonade for me.
Yes.
Oh, sorry.
Don't you gotta like? Starts like
Rain.
Oh, I don't know.
vibrating. How was it?
Good.
You like it?
It's good lemonade.
It is. Yeah.
Max was great. He just sat in the car.
I know, he's so good. He loves it. Not like, you know.
So what's the recipe? I feel like this isn't doing anything.
So what are we putting in here?
Shallots.
Oh, good.
Whoa, that was impressive. I can mince those shallots. Do you mince shallots?
Minced shallots? I never minced shallots. I think shallots are supposed
It
to
says
be
minced.
thin.
Minced shallots?
One shallot minced.
A whole shallot?
Do you have a big mincer?
Of course.
That's a chopper.
It's a choppa.
This one might be
Let's
more
do
of
that.
a mincer.
Yep.
We're gonna do just this amount of shallots. We still have a lot of shallot left to be minced. I think I can figure it out. That's pretty minced.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Confirmed burnt finger. Oh, look at that. Nice and red. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Good thing I'm just built different. It hurts so bad. Hey, anyways, let me show you guys what we got. Sauce, pasta, and that. We still got the garlic and basil to go. I'm not gonna lie to you, my finger really hurts really bad. Well, no, I picked up, the handle was fine, but then I strained it, and then I set it down, and then I picked it back up, and I picked it up like there. So I got the whole lick of it. I held it, I like held onto it for like 3 seconds too.
Oh, this hurts.
Yeah. Look what we got going on over here. This is the grading station.
I'm gonna cut myself.
We're supposed to put it in now.
YouTube, please don't copyright me for the One Direction playing. It's not my fault. It's not my fault. Oh my god. Why does it still hurt? Like usually it'd stop hurting by now, right?
Put it in now, I guess.
You literally can't even see it. That's how fast I heal. Like, yeah, like that would hurt you. It hurts you. Yeah. Like, yeah, that hurts. It hurts you. Like, yeah, your finger is 3rd degree burn. Your finger. Like, you look it up online. What happens if I burn my finger? Your finger is like, yeah, yours is probably 3rd degree burn.
Yeah.
Your finger. Yeah, my finger. No. Back to today's sponsor. Dinner is served, folks. Woo! Once upon a time in Hollywood. Final. We'll give you guys a little review. Got a little kick to it. That was good. A little Caesar. So good. So good. Alright. Hi vlog. That's it for the video today.
Stop.
Alright, but that's it for the video. Hope you enjoyed. It was a quick one. But yeah, we'll see you next time. Summer vlog 3 coming out next.